Tired of scrubbing stubborn baked-on messes or dealing with greasy pans? Imagine turning any baking sheet into a non-stick surface that makes cleanup a breeze. The Silpat Nonstick Silicone baking mat does exactly that. It saves you time and effort by eliminating the need for butter, oils, or sprays, letting your food release effortlessly every time. What makes Silpat stand out? It's crafted from high-quality food-grade silicone combined with a durable fiberglass mesh. This design ensures consistent heat distribution for perfectly even baking, whether you're roasting vegetables or baking cookies. Trusted by top chefs worldwide, Silpat has proven its reliability and durability over decades. Plus, it's freezer, microwave, and oven safe, handling temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it for almost any cooking or reheating task without worry. I've personally switched to Silpat for nearly every baking project. It fits snugly on standard pans, like the 11.6x16.5 size made for 13x18 pans, making it a seamless upgrade from parchment paper. No more sticky dough or greasy residue. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe with hot water and dish soap. Storing it is just as easy. Roll it up or lay it flat. Just remember, avoid cutting directly on it with metal to keep it intact. If you're someone who bakes regularly or wants to simplify meal prep, the Silpat mat is worth a look. It's NSF and kosher certified, meeting strict food safety standards. Plus, it's made in France, reflecting a legacy of quality craftsmanship. Using Silpat means you get a versatile, reusable baking surface that reduces waste and saves money over time. Ready to upgrade your kitchen routine? Try the Silpat Nonstick Silicone baking mat when you're ready to make baking cleaner, faster, and more consistent. It's the practical choice for anyone serious about cooking and baking without the hassle.